Pluckers Other Sort of Things again with you. Classic song, this one. It's an unfinished song or an unreleased song from Bryan called Good Times Are Killing Me. Okay, I thought it was a nice little ditty to learn, so I've done it for you, even though it's not a released song or anything, hence the fact I had to hum the words. I can't actually make out some of the words he's singing, okay, so I hummed the melody for you in the verse. Okay, so anyway, all you Bryan fans will probably know the words by heart by now anyway. So standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, standard tuning, 2nd fret capo. Puts us in the same key that he uses when he plays it on that unreleased version. Okay, so the intro, which he plays in between verses, etc. Blah blah. So starting on a D chord. Okay, now I'm going to go through this very slowly for you because it is quite rapid the way he plays it. Okay, so we're starting off with a D chord, but we lift it off initially the 1st finger. Okay, so the 3rd string at the moment is open. Okay, when you strum the chord, you hammer straight into that 2nd fret on the 3rd string to make the D chord. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's the first thing he does. Okay, so it's then what we do is we play the 4th string open along with the, just can use your 1st finger, move that up to the 4th fret on the 3rd string. I'll play it along with the 4th string open. So it's okay. Then move the 3rd finger up. That's 4th fret from the capo, okay? 4th fret from the capo. Then move that finger up to the 7th fret from the capo. Again, play that note along with the open 4th. So now you've got, then go back to the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, play it along with the 4th string open, then down to the 2nd fret from the capo, again with the 4th string open. Okay, so you've got very slowly. Okay, the next bit is this. It's an open 4th string, hammer up to the 2nd fret and play the open 3rd string after. So it's hammer up, open 4th string to 2nd, 3rd string open. So now you've got this. Okay, then form a C chord and hit the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the root note. Okay, that one. If you hit the 4th string along with it, that doesn't matter too much. So then so now you've got this. Okay, then we do some more little hammers. Open 4th string to 2nd fret on the 4th string. Then the open 3rd, hammer up to the 2nd fret on the 3rd. So, and finally the open 3rd. So it's open 4th to 2nd, open 3rd to 2nd, open 3rd. So now you've got this. Okay, then we hit a G chord, bassy side if you can, this sort of 6 down to 4 or whatever. Okay, and then the final bit is that. So you hit the G. And what that is open 5th string, the A string, to the 2nd fret hammer, open 4th string. And then we start all over again. So very slowly the whole thing, okay? Okay, and then just repeat. And he does that 4 times initially, okay? So there we have it. So I'll just try and do it 4 times, a little bit slower than it is on the record, okay? Final time you just play the G straight into the strum. You don't do that on the 4th time. You just straight come out of that C, strum the G, and we go into the verse, okay? And the verse is D to an E minor 7. So what I'm going to do for these chords is I'm going to play a D chord like that, yeah? Keep the 3rd finger exactly where it is all the way through this. So it's D to E minor 7th. Leave that finger where it is, 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string there, and move these 2 fingers from the D to make an E minor shape. 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th. Keeping that finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd there, E minor 7. So you got then we make a C add 9. Again, keep that 3rd finger exactly where it is, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Move these 2 fingers to that shape. 2nd on the 4th with the 1st finger, and 3rd on the 5th with the 3rd finger. Okay, if that's a C add 9. Should sound like that. 5 down to 1. Okay, so that's D, E minor 7th, C add 9th, and then we do a G, 4th finger G. Okay, so all you need to do, again, keep that finger where it is, that 3rd finger, and add your pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret, and move these 2 up from there, up a string. So you've got a G with 4 fingers. Okay, and those are the 4 chords for the verse. Slowly. Da, 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 4 times the whole thing. Da, da, dee, 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 E minor 7, da, 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 C add 9, G, and again, and the last time, then we go into the chorus, and that's basically this. The good times are killing me, least are dying good company. And you do that whole thing twice, okay? And we're starting on an A minor, and you've got to hit the root note, the 5th string open, then keep your 1st finger where it is, 1st fret, 2nd string from the A minor. Move this 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string. So you've just got those 2 fingers. Hit that note. So you've got. Okay, and hit that note and strum. Then make a C chord, hit that third on the fifth, the root note, that one. So you got, okay, and finally you do a G, hit the root note, bottom E string, third fret, and then just repeat. So good times are killing me, at least I'll die in good company. The good times are killing me, at least I'll die in good company. Then we just play the intro again. Boys and girls, my easy peasy guide to the unreleased version of The Good Times Are Killing Me by Zach Bryan. Hope you enjoyed that and hope you find that helpful. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.